Developing a compelling character in writing is essential for engaging storytelling. Here's a concise guide. Background and history. Start by creating a detailed backstory for your character. Explore their past experiences and significant life events that have shaped them. Personality traits. Define their personality traits, both positive and negative. Consider their quirks, strengths, weaknesses, and how they interact with others. Goals and motivations. What does your character want? Define clear, relatable goals and motivations that drive their actions throughout the story. Internal conflict. Develop inner conflicts or dilemmas your character faces. This adds depth and relatability as readers can connect with their struggles. External conflict. Create external obstacles and challenges that your character must overcome. These can be driven by the plot or other characters. Physical description. Provide a vivid physical description, but don't overdo it. Highlight distinctive features that help readers form a mental image. Name and identity. Choose a name that suits your character and conveys a sense of who they are. Consider how their name might influence their identity. Dialogue and voice. Craft dialogue that reflects your character's personality, background, and emotions. A unique voice makes them stand out. Character arc. Plan how your character evolves throughout the story. What lessons do they learn and how do they change? Relationships. Explore their relationships with other characters. Define how they interact with family, friends, or rivals, which can reveal more about them. Flaws and growth. No character is perfect. Highlight their flaws and show how they learn and grow over the course of the narrative. Symbolism and theme. Consider how your character can represent larger themes or ideas in your story. Show, don't tell. Rather than simply telling the reader about your character, show their traits, emotions, and actions through vivid descriptions and scenes. Consistency. Ensure your character's behavior and development remain consistent with their established traits and background. Reader empathy. Make your character relatable and evoke reader empathy by revealing their vulnerabilities, dreams, and humanity.